This video will guide you through the process of replacing ignition coils and spark plugs on a 2017 Hyundai Elantra. The ignition coils are typically located under the engine cover, bolted to the top of the engine head. Begin by removing the ignition coil and spark plug. If the engine has been running, let it cool sufficiently before starting work to avoid burns from hot parts. And always wear personal protective equipment, including rubber gloves and safety goggles, when working on a vehicle. Be sure the vehicle is on a level surface, with the engine off and the parking brake engaged. 1. Disconnect the negative battery cable at the battery. 2. Remove the engine cover. 3. Determine the ignition coil and spark plug to be replaced. Pull the lock pin and push the clip while disconnecting the ignition coil wire harness connectors. 4. Use a 10mm socket to loosen the mounting bolts, then grip the coil with one hand, and pull the ignition coil out of the top of the engine. 5. Finally, remove the spark plug. Clean the engine surface, and ensure there is no dirt, debris, or grime on the engine that could fall into the spark plug well. Use a spark plug socket and extension to remove the spark plug from the spark plug well. Finish by installing the spark plug and ignition coil. 1. Carefully install the new spark plug into the cylinder head, and tighten by hand several turns to prevent cross-threading. Use a torque wrench and spark plug socket to tighten the spark plug to 10.9 to 18 foot-pound. Note that exceeding the specified torque value may damage the spark plug. 2. Add a small amount of dielectric grease to the ignition coil inner boot and wire harness connector ports before connecting them to ensure a secure connection. 3. Carefully insert the new ignition coil into the engine. Use a torque wrench to tighten the ignition coil bolts to 7.2 to 8.7 foot-pound. Note that exceeding the specified torque value may damage the ignition coil. 4. Plug each ignition cable into the corresponding coil port in the correct order, and listen for an audible pop to ensure firm seating. 5. Finally, reinstall the engine cover and reconnect the negative battery cable. That concludes the procedure for replacing an ignition coils and spark plugs on 2017 Hyundai Elantra. Thank you for watching.